Hey, awesome Blender enthusiasts! Today we're diving into Blender 4.2 and a crucial change you need to know about. Let's get started. So, Blender 4.2 has shaken things up a bit. If you're scratching your head wondering where some of your favorite add-ons have disappeared to, don't worry. I've got you covered. Here's the deal. Many add-ons have moved house. They're no longer chilling in the add-ons section of your preferences. Nope. They've got a swanky new home called the Extensions Manager. Let me show you how to find them. First, head to Edit, then Preferences. Now, instead of clicking on Add-ons like you're used to, look for the new Extensions Manager. This bad boy is linked directly to extensions.blender.org. Pretty cool, right? In this Extensions Manager, you can search for all those missing add-ons. Let's try finding ANT Landscape. Just type it in, hit Enter, and boom. There it is. See that Install button? Click it, and Blender will fetch it right from the extension's website. Easy peasy. The same goes for other popular add-ons like extra objects or extra curves. Just search, install, and you're good to go. Now here's a pro tip. Once installed, these add-ons will show up in your installed section. And the best part? When updates roll out, you can update them right here with just a click. To use your newly installed add-ons, just hit Shift+A in the 3D viewport. You'll find Ant Landscape, extra objects, and all your other favorites right where they should be. And that's it. You're now a Blender 4.2 add-on guru. If you got any other questions about Blender 4.2, drop them in the comments. I love chatting with you all about this stuff. Don't forget to like, share, and mostly subscribe. Thank you, amigos. Have a great day ahead.